Craving a delicious homemade chicken wrap? This quick and easy snack is loaded with juicy chicken, fresh veggies, and wrapped in a soft homemade crepe. Hello, I am Nahida. Welcome to Enoven Foods. Let's start. In a bowl, add 1 cup boneless chicken, 2 tablespoon curd, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon tandoori masala, half teaspoon salt, and half teaspoon chili powder. Mix well and let it rest for 5 minutes. Chicken is a great source of lean protein, keeping you full longer. Yogurt or curd contains probiotics that support digestion. Heat 2 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add the marinated chicken and cook for 5 minutes until tender. Add 2 tablespoons chopped capsicum and 2 tablespoons chopped onion. Stir fry for 2 minutes. Capsicum and onions are packed with vitamins and minerals. And set aside. In a mixing bowl, add 1 egg, 1 1/4 cup of milk. Mix well. Now add half cup flour, half teaspoon salt. Mix well to form a smooth batter. Remove 2 tablespoon batter to use later for binding. Grease a pan with oil. Pour a thin layer of batter and spread evenly. Cook for 2 minutes on low heat. No preservative, no excess oil, just fresh and wholesome. Flip and cook the other side. Spread 1 teaspoon mayonnaise on the cooked wrap. The homemade wrap provides energy with fewer processed ingredients. Add the cooked chicken and veggies. Use the reserved batter as a binding to secure the wrap. Fold as shown in the video. If you prefer a crispy wrap, toast it in butter for a golden crust. Make it cheesy by adding shredded cheese inside before folding. Cook both sides until golden brown and crispy. Serve with garlic mayo, chili sauce or yogurt dip. Make ahead and store in the fridge for 2 days. And that's it. A simple yet delicious chicken wrap snack that's perfect for any time of the day. Try this at home and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes. See you in the next video.